Not only do you teach marketing at one of the top universities in the world, have a PhD in marketing from one of the top universities in the world, and are extremely good at marketing. Let me ask you this question. Of all the things that you do to market your books, what is the most effective tool that you use? What is the most effective channel?
Yeah, I mean, going back to what you just said, I don't know that it's the most effective, but it's the one I personally believe in the most, is this notion of trying to give people an appetizer for free, right? This is actually why I wrote this book. So 2013, I wrote a book called Contagious that changed my life. For that book, I was completely an academic, all research, all teaching. Published that book, suddenly I was getting calls from Google and Nike and Apple and Facebook and small startups and everybody in between who wanted help getting their stuff to catch on. I learned a lot about business from doing that. And there was a principle, though, that didn't make that first book, which was this notion of kind of reducing the barrier to trial and allowing people to experience something themselves. And what I love about that idea at the core is if what you're offering is good, you shouldn't have to sell it. Right? We think about a funnel often in marketing, awareness and then persuasion, right? If something's actually very good, you shouldn't need to have to persuade people. All you have to do is make them aware that it exists, but the world is busy, lots of stuff is going on. And so by giving away high value things, not everything, you don't want to give away the whole meal because then, right, where do you have to create revenue? Just like freemium, give away something of value. If it's really good, if it's really useful for people, they'll come back for more, right? And so I agree it's not always easy to apply this principle everywhere, but at the core, it's a really insightful idea. If what you're offering has value, then all you need to do is figure out how to find the people that believe in that value and allow them to experience it themselves. Because once they've experienced it, you don't need to persuade them, they've convinced themselves.
Exactly, right? They've come to trust you and now they want more and they're willing to write a check for that more.